In this session, we're going to have a look at MV blocks, also known as multi-view blocks. A multi-view block is basically a block consisting of multiple other blocks which will give you different displays depending on the different views that you're in. So in other words, in top view, front view, left, right view, it will display different and various different elevations. The first thing that I'm going to start with is having a look at this drawing. This drawing consists of a couple of symbols that I've created. I'm going to compile them into what we call the multi-view block or MV block. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3D symbol and make that a block. The block I'm going to call WC3D, which is the 3D block. I'm going to pick an origin by snapping to its construction intersection at the back there and create the block. The same I'm going to do with the others, so I'm going to select that one, make that a block, call it WC underscore front elevation with the origin at the bottom as well as the next one. Make a block WC, it's a plan view with its origin the same corresponding location, and the last one WC underscore side elevation with its origin once again corresponding to the others. Right, so what we've got in this drawing, we've got 4 different blocks or block references. Now to create a multi-view block from that, I'm going to go into my AEC Style Manager. In the Style Manager, Multi-Purpose Objects has something called Multi-View Block Definition, so I click on that one and I'm going to create a new one and call it WC Multi-View and apply that. If we have a look at the view blocks, general is basically where I'm going to add blocks into the list. So in the model itself, I'm going to add the 3D block and it will be available or displayed in all views. However, in my general view, I'm going to add the front elevation, which will only be visible in front and back, not any of the others. Then I'm going to add another one which is in plan, and that will only be visible in top and bottom. So I switch all the others off, and I'm going to add side elevation, and that will only be visible in left and right. Right. So what we basically have is we've got a multi-view block which in any general 3D orbit will display the 3D view, but under general it will display the front elevation in front and back, the plan in top and bottom, and the side elevation in left and right. So let's have a look at how to use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all the information I've got. When I go to my normal CADI application, Advanced Objects, and I insert a block, you will see you can either insert standard blocks or multi-view blocks. In the multi-view blocks, I'll have one called WC Multi-View, and once I insert it, that's exactly how it's going to look. So it shows you a little normal view of that block. Change the render mode so we can see a bit more clearly. The nice thing about this block now, it's a multi-view block. If I go to my 3D views and I go to top view, it will display the 2D top view information. If I go to front view, it will display the front elevation, and if I go to left or right view, it will display the other information. As soon as I do an orbit and I regen, it will display the 3D object as specified before. So that's basically what multi-view blocks are. It's a block consisting of multiple other blocks which you can then specify to be or to have different views or different symbols being displayed at your different 3D views.